Hi, today we will learn English idioms and explain them through short dialogues in a funny way.
First idiom is piece of cake.
I'm really worried about this English test.
Don't worry, it's a piece of cake.
Really? It's made of cake.
No, it means it's very easy.
Second idiom is break a leg. I have my first stage performance today.
Break a leg.
Why would you want me to get hurt?
It's just an idiom. It means good luck.
Third idiom is let the cat out of the bag.
I accidentally told Sarah about her surprise party.
So you let the cat out of the bag.
There was a cat in the bag.
No, it means you revealed a secret.
Fourth idiom is bite the bullet.
I really don't want to go to the dentist.
Just bite the bullet and go.
But I don't want to bite anything, especially a bullet.
It means to face a tough situation bravely.
Fifth idiom is cry over spilt milk.
I'm so upset I missed the sale yesterday.
No use crying over spilt milk.
But there was no milk.
It means don't worry about what can't be changed.
Sixth idiom is when pigs fly.
I'll clean my room when pigs fly.
So, never.
Exactly, because pigs can't fly.
That's the point. It means it will never happen.